We're out here at the Pinal Airpark with a groundbreaking for Ascent. They're getting ready to put up two huge hangars.
Two 90,000-foot hangars
that are going to be converting 777s into freighters.
Conversion of aircraft 777 300 ERs from passenger service into freighter service. The demand for freighter aircraft in the world's economy is very great, and there's not enough cargo aircraft to go around.
It's a $55 million investment in our airpark. That's great for the community. It's going to bring 300 jobs.
High-paying jobs at that, and so all that money stays in Pinal and Pima counties. So it's big for the economy, for both local, regional, and state economies.
A lot of aviation industry coming in here. We've rezoned outside of this as commercial, and we'll be bringing in other businesses on the entrance to the airpark. So it should be quite the economic generator for us.
There's tremendous growth potential here. When COVID hit, we went from under 100 airplanes to, we flexed up to 400 plus airplanes. I think we peaked at 460 here at Pinal Airpark in a matter of 30 to 45 days. So that just shows our ability to flex and grow and expand our capabilities.
Ascent, I have a pretty good relationship with the president, Dave Quirio, and it was about a year ago, I believe, where he was looking for a home for the project.
At the end of the day, when we started our discussions with our modification partner, Israel Aerospace Industries, they wanted to have the modification done elsewhere, and we convinced them that this is the ideal location because of the experienced workforce, the expertise, the climate, and Southern Arizona is very, very big into aerospace and aviation.
Pinal County offers the ability to have, inexpensive land. That's really one of the biggest, and the space that they need to be able to expand. The other airports don't have that, and they really like working with us because we're easy to work with. We've been very accommodating, and we try to be that way because we want to bring economic development. We're trying to revitalize the airpark.
This is the first substantial vertical development at the airpark, probably in like 50 years when that 747 hangar was built. So other than a great thing happening for the local economy and the county, it's a great thing for the airpark because it shows progress. New progress.
It sounds like it came together pretty quickly, but it was a 2.5-year negotiation process to come to contract. And once we came to contract in early Q3 of 2023, we had already done a lot of the legwork for hangar development. So it was just a matter of time of putting all the dominoes on the board and getting them to stand upright.
We've been working on this. I heard about this 3 years ago going on, and now it's finally coming to fruition. And so that's a big deal. Again, investment in our county is big. Economic development is big. It gets us away from just rooftop taxes. It gets us to businesses that pay the taxes to keep the home property taxes down. And that's what we're looking for. And of course, the jobs that it brings is the economic boon to the county.